Hello everyone, welcome back to Protech Genius. This is me Surya Prakash, and in today's video, I'll be, just sharing you few important tips and tricks which will help you to connect your virtual numbers. Which will make use of your virtual numbers in order to make social media accounts such as WhatsApp. This video is primarily curated for the for making social media accounts. Not social media accounts, but to make a WhatsApp account using the virtual number providers such as Second Line, Textnow, TextMe, Talkatone, Textplus. There are a lot of applications. If you want to get a hands-on tutorial on how to connect it, I have made a hands-on video showing you guys how to uh, get free virtual number for WhatsApp using these applications. And in this video I would have compared few applications which are good for WhatsApp, etc. Now, if you consider WhatsApp and the reasons behind using virtual number for WhatsApp may be to protect our identity, or some may use it for spamming or something. But I am warning you guys: do not use your virtual numbers to spam or scam people. As you know, using the virtual numbers provided from these virtual number providers and using it for spamming or scamming makes it hard for other people to use the WhatsApp account. Now, as you can see, this is my WhatsApp account. I mean, this is my WhatsApp applications Play Store page. This is my clone WhatsApp application. Now, if I'm going to click on agree and continue, it would ask me for my number. Most of us would be using United States number as a virtual number. In my case, I would be entering my mobile number, which I obtained from the virtual number providing applications such as Textnow, Second Line, Textplus, Talkatone, etc. When signing up for WhatsApp, you may get few errors such as you would be taken. You would be redirected to this page, and here you would be requested to enter your OTP. But most of you would not be able to receive OTP, and even if you did receive OTP, actually in reality WhatsApp would actually not send you OTP because it would have marked your number as spam or scam. So in those cases, what we should do is that uh, all you have to do is that follow the 3 to 4 steps which I tell in this video. Number one, if you're using a normal WhatsApp application, as you can see over here, this is actually clone of my WhatsApp application. My original WhatsApp is actually over here, as you can see. So if you're facing errors in the original WhatsApp, all you have to do is that go long press this original WhatsApp, click on this IO button over here. Scroll down, go to storage. Here, click on the clear cache or clear data option, which will make your WhatsApp as a new application, newly installed application. Number two, if you are still facing any errors, all you have to do is that clone your WhatsApp. Like me, as you can see, I have cloned my WhatsApp. This will solve you the problems. Number three, if you're still facing errors, all you have to do is that you have to try a new application for WhatsApp. This is not a fake application, but this is an application released by the official WhatsApp corporation. That application's name is WhatsApp Business. This WhatsApp Business is for the businesses who use WhatsApp. So as you can see, take a look at the screenshots. When you're using a commonly used number and register it in WhatsApp, it would show as a, it will not send you OTPs. But when you register for WhatsApp Business, it will still send you OTPs, as businesses tend to spam people a lot. That's the reason, I guess. But still, there may be some other reasons. I'm not sure about it. But use this application. As I told before, if you're using WhatsApp Business already, like me, all you have to do is that just go clone the WhatsApp Business and do the same steps. Even after following these 4 steps, if you're still facing any errors or issues, then wait and you know click on this and choose an option to call me. If you request a call, you would get an OTP via call, which will enable you to sign up or register an WhatsApp account more easily. If you're using applications such as Textnow or Second Lane, they would have after the update of 2023. For the people who are not familiar with the Textnow's update of 2023, this not only affects the Textnow application, but this affects all the virtual number applications. And if you are in the world of virtual numbers, then please go take a look at this video. I'll leave this video's link in the description and the first comment. I'll pin the first comment, so please go take a look at the comment section before quitting this video, as the Textnow update of 2023 covers a lot of information which will help you sustain and survive in the world of virtual numbers. If I would have to cover it up, all it states is that the US has implemented a law which makes people outside the US or Canada nearly impossible to obtain a US or Canada number, a virtual number for making cold calls or something. But still, there are ways with which you'll be able to overcome the problems. But it's going to be a tough one, so that's the reason. So it not only that, but still, even if the Textnow blocks your OTP feature and it has made it as a paid feature, you can still use the call feature in WhatsApp to receive the OTP via call. So it's actually like bypassing the paid features, and you would be able to, obtain or make social media accounts such as WhatsApp. It's going to be impossible for Telegram, because now Telegram doesn't have this calling feature. It only sends you an OTP, so it actually sucks. For people who are using temporary 10-minute numbers or 5-minute numbers for your WhatsApp account, that is a bit, stupid thing. Do not do it. That is what I would tell. Like, imagine you're using the 5-minute number and you're making a WhatsApp account after all the hardships. Your account is going to get uh, stolen by someone else within an hour, mostly. Yeah. So now I hope you all understood the 4 tricks. There is cloning, clearing the storage, using WhatsApp Business, using WhatsApp Business clone, clearing the storage of WhatsApp Business, using a few quality numbers. If these numbers are still not working, deleting and changing your numbers. Moving on to a few other alternatives such as Talkatone over here and stuffs. If Textplus is not working, use Talkatone. If Talkatone is not working, use Textnow. All of these three are, top tier applications. I know my videos are not constant these past few days. I mean, if you're not a Protech genius audience who watches or who are new to this channel, it may be new to you. But for the people who are watching my videos on a regular basis, I post videos daily. But still, but nowadays I'm not able to post videos daily, and I have a few problems going on and stuff. So I may not be consistent, and my videos quality would have gotten somewhat a bit bad. I will try to overcome all of those, and I would try to become constant once again. This video would may also be bad. I would have not covered the hands-on steps like I used to cover in my previous videos. I'll try to make a new video covering the hands-on steps and stuff. So guys, please do not get angry on me. I would like to apologize for you if I did any mistakes. So guys, I hope you still support me, and if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, just go click on the subscribe button, and the bell button is subscribe button. And if you did enjoy watching this video, and if you are successfully able to create a WhatsApp account by following all of these tips and tricks, then do leave a thumbs up below this. Just go click on thumbs up button located below this video. And once again, thanks for watching this video until the end. This is me, Surya Prakash, signing off. Let's meet again in next video. Until then, bye.